In today's video, we will be talking about amazing inventions that will make your life easy in 2023. Number 11. Bionicopter. This is an ultralight flying robot inspired by the dragonfly. It can hover in the air and fly in all directions. It can also execute the most complicated flight maneuvers. Bionicopter is a great deal. It is larger than the insect that inspired it. The robot is 17 inches long with a wingspan of 25 inches. It can move each of its wings independently. This enables it to slow down, turn abruptly, and also to accelerate swiftly and even fly backward. Its wings are made of foil and carbon fiber, and the body is made of polyamide and tear polymer. 9 tiny servo motors, radio modules, a battery, and an ARM microcontroller are hidden in the thorax section. Number 10. Bed Up Down. Bed Up Down were designed to be hidden in a suspended ceiling. This is a retractable bed system that is designed to save space and help you make the best use of your interior. The installation will take up only 13 inches. This bed can be controlled both through a smartphone or a special touchscreen system. The bed comes in several options to choose from, including those that are very unusual, such as round or bunk beds. Also, a classic double bed with a 63 by 75 inch mattress is available, and you can choose to order a custom-made too. Number 9. Tactigon Skin Reload. Tactigon Skin Reload is a wearable mouse that you can use for both work and play. The device comes with an artificial intelligence algorithm that helps improve gesture performance. It can be used with a wide variety of devices from computers to drones. The device connects via Bluetooth and has a built-in battery that provides up to 8 hours of non-stop operation. It can respond to natural hand movements and can recognize over 48 gestures. You can use this device in 3 modes: the touchpad, mouse, and presenter modes. It is highly programmable, so advanced users can customize it to their needs. 4 tactile keys make it possible to change the combinations of programmable commands depending on the positions of the fingers. The device is wearable and wireless. The price is $61. Number 8. Smaco S300. This is a compact diving cylinder that is used to breathe underwater for about 6 to 12 minutes. It can be used as the main or backup air source. When used as the main air source, you can dive safely to depths about 33 feet. Smaco S300 has a capacity of 0.5 liters and comes with a 3-level filtration systems. The empty cylinder weighs about 2 pounds. This diving tank doesn't add any drag, so you can carry it for a long time. A manual pump or a high-pressure inflator can be used to pump up the scuba tank. Its entire body is made of aerospace aluminum alloy. It resists internal corrosion and stands up well to damage. It costs about $150. Number 7. X2. X2 is a flying electric car that was manufactured by Xpeng Aero. It can fly up to 3,200 feet at a speed of 130 kilometers per hour and will fly only 2 passengers. It is made of a carbon fiber structure to reduce its weight, and it does not produce carbon emissions during flight. It has 8 propellers and 8 electric motors and has a flight time of 35 minutes. It can be flown both manually and autonomously. Inside the aircraft, the seats are just like cinema chairs with headrests, and each passenger has a personal LCD screen in front of them that displays flight information. In case of a malfunction, an automatic landing system will be activated. X2 is suitable for short-distance city commutes like medical transportation or sightseeing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. Number 6. Tajima Helmet Fan. The Tajima Helmet Cooling Fan weighs about 3 ounces and straps around your helmet right at the base of your skull. Its lithium-ion battery can work up to 8 hours of operation at full power and up to 18 hours of operation at low power. This means that with this helmet fan, you can spend a whole workday without worrying about the heat. Just push a button and the airflow goes from the fan and under your helmet to your neck and the back of your head, making work much more comfortable. This will help dry off sweat and keep you cool. The price is $192. Number 5. Hid Sips. Hid Sips is a combination of a table lamp and a water dispenser. You don't need to go to the kitchen if you get thirsty at night, and it is also a great option if you have to take medications at night. The dispenser and lighting system are insulated from each other, and a spill grate is also available. Its pump is designed for silent operation, and it features a switch-based LED light. It also comes with a cup holder. The model is compatible with various lampshades. Number 4. Mocycle Airbag Clothes. The Mocycle Airbag jeans not only look stylish, but also protect you from lower body injuries. The jeans are breathable and water repellent, and they come with built-in airbags which activate in milliseconds. In addition to the airbags, the jeans are reinforced with CE-approved pads on the knee. The cloth is equipped with a replaceable CO2 cartridge and can be reused. A special material known as UHM-WPE fibers, which are used in body armor and shipbuilding, offers additional protection. This material is said to be 17 times stronger than steel. It also comes with a vest, a jacket, and a coat. Number 3. WAAY. The WAAY Door Smart System eliminates the need to open your door manually. This door system opens sideways and can be operated via smartphone, by remote control, with gestures, or by voice. The system is silent thanks to the electric drive. It also saves space. According to the manufacturers, the door offers 1 million opening and closing cycles. That is about 90 times every day for 30 years. The door has a built-in stop system for the safety of children and pets. The door is also able to tell in real time if someone is coming in or out. This system is compatible with standard-sized doors, and you can also choose whatever style suits your home decor. This system costs $25,000. Number 2. Solace. Solace is the first cuddle speaker. It helps reduce anxiety and relieves stress. It is quite easy to use. Just connect it via Bluetooth to your laptop, smartphone, and other gadgets and turn on the music. This speaker can be controlled using a special app. It comes with a special music library with a wide selection of meditation music, healing tones, vibro-acoustic, and music binaural beats, and there's even a cat's purr. You can even use your own playlist. You can use it anytime as part of your morning routine, while going to sleep, or when you are feeling overwhelmed. Number 1. Yaw 2. Yaw 2 is a motion simulator and smart chair used for gaming, working, and relaxation. It can vibrate and has unlimited 360 degrees of rotation. It can tilt 70 degrees to the front and back and 40 degrees to the left and right. The design requires a 63 by 63 inch area. This system works with the most popular headset like PlayStation VR, Oculus Quest, and Rift. You can set it up via a smartphone app or PC software. It comes with a folding table for accessories like joysticks and steering wheels. The platform can also be used for the workplace. The chair can be replaced and the position adjusts automatically, providing optimum support for the neck and back. It costs $1,000.